to read the book Elephants Cannot Dance by Mo Willems. Jewel, let's dance. I can teach you. In teaching all my friends, I would love to learn how to dance. But elephants cannot dance. You are kidding me? No. Look it up. Page 11. Jewel, it does not say that you cannot try. You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Zip. Let's dance. Okay, let's go. Jump with me when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Jump. Oh, you were a little late on the jump. I was a little late on the jump. We will try again. We will try again. I am this way. We will try again. We will try again. Lift your leg this way. We will try again. We will try again. Up, up, down, down. Spin, spin, stop, stop. Forward, forward, backward, backward. Wiggle, waggle, wiggle, waggle. Robot, robot. Enough! I have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried. But I am an elephant. An elephant just cannot dance. Jewel? Hello, we are ready to learn some moves. I'm sorry, I cannot teach you. My friend is sad. Silly, we don't want you to teach us. We want to learn the elephant. Teach me, please. Me too. Me three. More feeling. Keep trying. You're getting it.